Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Football Vibes. Today in this video, we are going to see about the Dream 11 preview of Brisbane Heats versus Melbourne Stars in the Big Bash. Guys, before going to our video, if you didn't join in our Telegram channel, you can join. I'll give link in the description box. Otherwise, you can go to Telegram and type at the rate Real Football Vibes so that you can get our channel. If you join, I'll give my updated and final teams after toss. Okay guys, if you like our video, please do subscribe and also press that bell symbol so that you can get notified whenever we put a video. When we came to match details, the date will be 7th January 2021. This match will be held at Carrara Oval, Queensland. The kickoff will be at 3:50 p.m. according to our Indian Standard Time. Guys, when we see about standings, Brisbane Heat are at 7th position, whereas Melbourne Stars are at 5th position. Brisbane Heat and Melbourne Stars both played 7 matches, whereas Melbourne Stars won 3 match and lost 3 match and won no result, but Brisbane Heat has won 3 match and lost 4 match. When we came to head-to-head result, totally 13 matches were played between them, in which Brisbane Heat has won 8 matches out of 13, whereas Melbourne Stars has won 3 matches and there is nil matches for abandon. When we came to pitch report, as always, Carrara Oval will be favor for batsmen and there will also a bounce for bowlers, so it will be slightly interesting. In this pitch you can pick batsman and also a fast bowler who can put bounces pace. You can try this type of players. The average score scored in this ground is 175 to 180 is a pass score. It is also a good score and many teams have chased this. Due to this only I told it is a good batting track. And we came to weather report. In Carrara Oval we can accept some rains today. As per now there is 25 degrees Celsius, so we can get rain also during the match. At 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. the degree will be at 20 degrees, so we can accept rains, so we should make teams according to that. Guys, when we came to probable lineup of Brisbane Heat, I have updated in batting order. Max Bryant and Chris Lynn will open. Chris Lynn is not up to his mark. He has some injury also, but Bryant is playing very good. And Joe Burns will come at 1 down and 2 down. Guys, Joe Denley is a very good player. He is a key player and a capable player. Don't miss you in any teams. And the all-rounder will be Louis Gregory. Pearson will be their wicket keeper. James Blazey and Wildermuth will be their all-rounders, whereas Blazer, Mark Steke and Mujibur Rahman will be their bowlers. Last match Mujibur Rahman took a fifer. Let's see how he plays today. When we see about Melbourne Stars, as always, Stoinis and Fletcher will open. Fletcher is a destructive batsman, but in this season he is not in a form. But Stoinis is doing his work properly, and the 1 down is done by Nick Larkin. Guys, an important thing: don't miss this player. He is a very capable player, but in this season he didn't perform till now. I'm accepting this match he will perform, so don't skip him. 2 down will be the captain Glenn Maxwell, followed by Nicholas Puran. If Melbourne Stars bat first, you can try Nicholas Puran as also captain. Then Hilton Cartwright will come. Godge, Hatcher, Rainbird, Stackley, Zampa will be their bowlers. According to me, the match winner will be Melbourne Stars because they have many star-studded squads and they are the favorites to win this match. When we came to captain vice captain choice, Chris Lynn can be tried as a captain as well as vice captain. Glenn Maxwell can be tried Stoinis, and as I told, if the Nicholas Puran teams bat first, you can try him as captain and vice captain. When we talk about one pick, as I told, Nick Larkin is must try. Dan Lawrence can come in this match, so you can try him also. Joe Denley is also an important pick. Rainbird is a very good spinner. He played for under 19 also, so you can try him. Guys, again telling, if you didn't join in our Telegram channel, you can join. I'll give link in the description box. Otherwise, you go to Telegram and just search @Real Football Vibes. Final team will be also in Telegram channel, so don't miss to join. I'll give a team sample team, but this is not a final. In wicket keeping section, I picked Puran. You can pick Dunk also, but Dunk is doubtful for this match. You can try Pearson, Godge. Both are really good players. In batsman section, I dropped Chris Lynn due to his bad form and injury, and also Fletcher due to the same reason. But Fletcher is a very destructive batsman. You can try him. As I told, Nick Larkin is a very good player, so I am picking him. Max Bryant also I am picking him. He is in red hot form. And Joe Denley. See, Joe Denley is picked only by 30%, so you can must try him. In all rounder section, I am picking 4 all rounders: Stoinis, Maxwell, Wildermuth, and then Gregory also I am picking. Gregory is a very good batsman as well as bowler. He may bowl his full quota and he will bat 2 down, so he can be a very good pick in fantasy. In bowlers, I am picking Zampa, Mujibur Rahman, then Mark Stake. Guys, I think in this match Mujibur Rahman will not perform because last match only he has took 5 so I am not picking him, but for safe you can pick. He is selected by 86%. I am picking Billy Stanlake for him. Billy Stanlake is a very good experienced player. So this will be my final team. My captain will be Glenn Maxwell and vice captain will be Joe Denley. As I told, I am taking a risk, but Joe Denley is a very good player. He is capable of scoring a century also, so I am picking him. This will be my final team. Puranas wicketkeeper, Larkin, Bryant, Denley as batsmen, Stoinis, Maxwell, Wildermuth, and Gregory as wicketkeeper, goal all-rounders, whereas Stanlake, Zampa, and Stake as a bowler. Guys, again telling, if you didn't join in our Telegram channel, you can join. I'll give the link in the description box also. And if you like this video, you can subscribe our channel and also press that bell symbol so you can notify our channel. Like, subscribe, and also share our channel to your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.